Hey guys, I'm going fishing. So I hope you guys like this video. And hopefully I catch some good bass. Because I'm fishing with a fake worm. And it's a pretty good one. We're going to fish off the boat. There's the school of bass. Looks like it wasn't going to be laid down tonight. Anyways, hopefully I can see a snake anyways. No snakes though. My dad found a snake yesterday. Anyways. I don't know why I keep saying anyways. Okay. Ow. Nice beautiful view. Oh, that's a dark cloud. Anyways, alright. I'm gonna set the phone mic. Alright. This way? Alright, I'm just gonna leave the phone like that. Hi. Alright. Food farm. There. Bruh. Oh. Now I gotta just put this on the thing and then put this on my phone. And we're gonna be good to go. I'm tangled up here, so hold up. And any fishermen out there, I'm not that good of a fisherman. I'm a fisher child. Oh my god, what did I just do? Sorry this is taking so long. Just hard to untangle stuff. Finally. Alright, here we go. After I put this on. Go right there. Put this on. Whoa! I can't really cast that far, so don't blame me. I mean, don't judge me. Oh my god. There's a big carp down. Ah! Guys, I got one. Ah! Get out here. How's this bad boy? Ooh, I hooked him in the gill spot. Little gill cover. It's a big boy. This is one of the bass from the school. Don't worry guys, he will not die. Just gonna bring him up close to the camera. How's this bad boy? Bass number 1. I usually do catch and release. I do not like eating fish. It does not taste good, but I might try it again. Anyways, here we go. Oh crap, I hooked it. Oh. How deep did it go into there? I'm sorry guys that this is taking a while. Might have to rip it. Oh no. I got it stuck on there. Here, let me try to get it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm stuck. such strong stuff. Oh God, you guys fell into there. Oh God, I'm so sorry. What can I do, you guys is? Alright, you guys can stay right here. I'm gonna try to get this out. Sorry that took so long, guys. Anyways, that's the business. Alright. And I keep facing the camera the wrong way. Alright, here we go. Try to untangle this. Alright. Alright, now we wait. There we go again. Oh, there's a map turtle over there. Do you see it? Oh, it just went away. Oh, I saw it through the camera. So, oh. Let's see. Do we got anything? No. Ooh, you can barely. I just barely saw that. There was a spiny soft shell turtle all the way over there. It's hunting now. I'm just gonna set you guys back now. Oh, the map turtle's back. Oh, he just went under. Mm. I just pulled it out of a mouth. Well, maybe they're over that way. They have to cast that way. We don't catch anything. Now we just have to wait for that to go up. Okay. Pretty good view though. It's a very nice light. You can see some fishies down there. There's some fishies over here. Never mind. There used to be from earlier. Nothing much yet. But there's that over there. I don't know why I'm shaking it like that. Yeah, so while we wait, this is a pretty nice view. You see all those trees over there? That's a forest. And over there is a road. They'll leave ads. Fish biting my arm. Oh, God. Look, I got a fish. It's a tough one. Dang it. Oh, whoa. Oh. You might go explore over in my neighbor's yard. They let me go fish over there. You see its head? Oh, this one under. Never know, I might have a